Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my positional stock option strategy. And last month we updated our monthly data. And for this month of July, so we are now updated the price of that particular stocks, and we are finding at more IV stocks. But as of now, for this month, we don't have a much more stock, so maybe a directional pick we can plan for this month. Last month also, we don't find it out much more stocks for high volatility. So based on the concept, and this month also we don't find it much more stocks, and even no stocks which is happening this month. So maybe we can use it for directional strategy that will help you to find out the trade opportunities today. And so that is what the thing which I'm going to discuss here, and also what we'll plan for next month also. That option prices strikes and closing prices will not be updated here. It will be updated in the morning, so those who are already finished my advanced option strategy, they know how to use this monthly IV data and to try to find out the stocks from this list by using our positional strategy concept. And maybe morning before market open, the data will be updated here on the monthly. And this is what a monthly static data, monthly once we are updating, and all is listed here. And all the stocks which I have taken based on the future closing price, and also the data which we have taken. And some more new stocks also be added, almost 225 right now. Stocks is in F4 category. I think the new one 360, and some of the stocks which came into this list by 2 days back, it is launched in F1, right? That values it's showing you 0 because we don't have a data. So like Tech, Hammer, and PGL, and 361, these are all the newly added F1 list. So we don't have the data for the volatility data as well as IV and IVR rank. That would not be available. So don't confuse it, because if you are going to check 361, so maybe 2 days back those stocks are recently added. So 360, so where you can't able to type 361. So here you can able to see the future. That is also be available in options. But if you are saying the daily data of this particular stock, that is I think launched by 27 2 days back, and we have the data for next Friday. I think it is Friday launched, and only 2 candles, so we can't get it the maximum the data. So that is why it is showing you 0. So and also we have a charting dashboard to find a directional strategy, because right now so we are not providing you that monthly jackpot sheet, and this is also it's going to be updated tomorrow, and whatever the values which is showing after the expiry, it is the taken out a July contract, and it was showing you almost many stocks which triggers our directional based picks. So more than 15 or 20, it was giving you some good opportunity. And weekly data which is updated for this July first week, and intraday it's every day is updating, and this is what the data for today, maybe trying to find 1 or 2 opportunities, but we are not now giving you the sheet to new people. Okay, so and also you can the same concept of Camerella R4, which you can utilize in our charting scanner. Okay, that's right. So let me check how that works on last month. So we have a lot of stocks with the dashboard that we are created for the month of June. So a lot of stocks that was delivering a good result. So initially I was seeing Muthoot Finance, Manapuram, so that was giving you some better result, and that was giving you such a good movement. And after that there is a stocks like KFin. I think KFin is recently added, and CDSL, so RBL. So these are all also going to give you some good result, and Manapuram is the I think first based on our positional concept. So here we can't get the last month data. So as per the concept of using our sheet, we'll be trying for 240 call option. So based on the concept, so let me try for iCharts having availability of historical data. So option chart, maybe F1 charts trading view, option chart trading view. So there you can able to find it historical. Search symbol instead of this option. Mono charts beta. So here we can easily find it out historical options. Manappuram, we are doing June 240 call, 240 is our strike price. So based on the logic, so what is happening here? It is I think it is a 1 minute. Let me make a 15 minutes. Yeah. So from July 4th, this is what a 4th, 30th May. So from that point, and also we will able to find it out last month Manappuram, where it is exactly Manappuram. So almost 240.22. So we do find it for the call option around 7 rupees or 7.8 or 8 rupees. So whenever it breaks the 8 rupees, that should be our breakout point. So that was triggered on 9th June. 8 rupees, sorry, it is around the 6th June, that nearby 8 rupees, maybe on the 6th June closing price. So based on our positional concepts where we can apply our hedging strategies here, our naked strategy. So this is what a trigger which is happening this month. I'm tracking this. That's why I'm showing you this stock particularly, and many stocks which is giving you the opportunity like Muthoot Finance also it is showing you I think 2200. Let me check in this particular historical Muthoot. I think strike price is about June, call option 2200. So let me check what should be the breakout point on Muthoot. Let me check. So based on the concept, we can apply any hedging strategies, so almost 150 plus here 150 when it is reaching. So after the 30th May, 150, I think it is 6th June also. After that, it went to maximum 400, but we have a concept of where to exit or whether you are going to plan for an hedging trade or a naked trade. That depends on the stop loss and target may vary. If you are doing an hedging with the future or hedging with the options or maybe naked. So it depends on your strategy which you are selecting. That is what this much of stocks which giving you directional opportunity. Those who are watching our positional strategy, and also some stocks in put side also given. And this is what a thing which is happening. And AU Bank, I think AU Bank also given you 700 call option in the beginning or 690 call option. We check AU Bank June call option 690. That is what the strike price based on our concept. So here it is showing a 15-minute start, but initially it is showing it is an expired contract. I think here is an opportunity. After that it initially came down and finally it moves higher, almost 120. So because this is what a nearest to trade on the 2nd June it is triggered. That is what one more trade for the month of June. But many stocks it's here in the list, but we find it out one or two because we filter out the stocks based on the liquidity, quality, volume, so all other factors which you are looking for that. So I hope you understood the logic. So this video is mainly for those who are my students who are finished our sessions, and next month mostly we will plan for a directional only because volatility based we can't able to find out much more stocks, and maybe further details will be updated in the sheet by tomorrow, and you can also make use of it. So this is what a sheet which is a real-time scanner, but we are not providing you right now. So maybe you can use in the charting dashboard also. That will help you to find out our positional opportunity. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you wish to learn our positional strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number and get more detail about the course, and you can also join and learn the strategies. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe.